hollow point slugs, and I have another 12 gauge, but I use it for like my hunting and stuff. But this here is just like a home defense gun, and this all that comes in with it. I just purchased these extra rounds from my dealer, you know, that I had the gun shipped to. So that's it for my unboxing. I won't go through all this stuff about, you know, different like stuff here, because I have to take it to the range and make sure it works before I throw away my box. Remember that when you get one, don't discard your box, because you might have to have it in case there's something wrong with the shotgun. They'll have you can return it, but you have to return it in the box it was purchased. Okay, so that's my unboxing, and I will come back with a range testing for it, you know, because, you know, I can't, you know, do anything with it right now. But I was just showing y'all the unboxing of my Stevens 320, and this is the close-up of the shells here. The Winchester, see that rifled slug hollow points, because that's what I was using it for, home defense. And this is my Allen shotgun stock thing here. It goes on the stock. I'll put that on. But it's the Stevens 320 pump shotgun. Okay, that will be my unboxing. I'll come back later with a range video. Like and subscribe to Collis Hall YouTube channel. Thank you, and we'll be back with another video.